景
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
参发係項當地屬嘅民間工藝，喺台灣北部嘅客家人嘅日常生活當中當接用到，佢可以有當複雜，不過其實係用絲線產啲紙蛋糕變成嘅，做嚟做成裝飾品、藝術品，也係標啲成裝蛋糕來擺獎，兼俾做人認識客家參花。
Chenhua, or twined flowers, are a traditional Hakka folk craft with many decorative applications. Intricate flowers, fruit, and other objects are made by wrapping silk thread around paper cutouts. In earlier times, twined flowers were extremely popular among northern Hakka communities. Brides would wear them as hairpins on their wedding day, but they were also made into decorative art pieces to hang on doors and present during offerings. The craft of Chenhua has been passed down through teachings from generation to generation.
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿比哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。Leo， 刚刚看你在解说什么事情，感觉是要来 DIY 做什么手工艺品吗？
没错，我在做客家產花。
客家產花，这是一种花吗？
对，它是一种花，但是它是缠起来的花。
哦，这怎么做呢？
这个做法其实很简单，就是以前客家妇女啊，把那个纸片剪起来之后呢，用那个金属光泽的那种丝线啊，把它缠起来，缠成各种的形状，然后把它拼接成花，就是缠花了。
哦 ，I see，所以它就是一个手工艺品嘛。
没错，你看从这里就可以看出客家妇女的手多灵巧，
真的。
而且这个缠花的技巧，其实它有缠绕跟环绕的方式，所以这样缠起来之后呢，它就会有3D 立体的造型。
了解。
你看这个花是不是就变得特别的漂亮？
漂亮，对，还可能带点 bling bling 的感觉。
没错，没错。
这让我想到我们在国外，在美国啊，比如说那高中1年1度的舞会啊，都会为这个女方啊买一些或自己做一些
装饰品，是不是？
装饰品是花 corsage，
客家的新娘也会，
也是对不对？
对对对对。
OK，
而且呢，它还可以放在那个神桌上面哈，当成那个拜奖用的。
反正它就是一个很实用的装饰品。
对对对。
好，那我们就来教几个单字好了，包括这个缠花 or twined flower，
产伐
，OK，you can wear it，but it can also be used as a decoration， 装饰品。
可以说宽奖
宽奖
另外一个讲法就是装饰品，
装饰品装饰品就很直译嘛，
对对，就直翻了。
宽奖
就是看漂亮的
看漂亮按奖对
对对。
That means looking at beautiful stuff. It's a decoration. I love that. There you have it. That's another round of Talk About Hakka today here on ICRT.
什麼睇㗎？
按子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.